Welcome to this comprehensive video where we'll delve into the world of Lightning reports and dashboards. By the end of this unit, you'll have a deep understanding of how business needs translate into answerable reporting questions and the differences between reports, dashboards, and report types. Let's begin by exploring why reports and dashboards are vital tools in your Salesforce journey. Your business has questions, and your Salesforce data holds the answers. When you're tasked with building a report, it typically starts with a question. Questions like, which products are my top sellers? Who are my highest value prospects? Which marketing campaigns have been the most successful? How satisfied are my customers? Before you can build a report, the secret is to take that question, ask follow-up questions, write requirements, and then map those requirements to report criteria. That's where reports and dashboards come into play. What exactly is a report? At its core, a report is a list of records that meet specific criteria you define. But reports offer much more than just lists. You can filter, group, and perform calculations on these records. You can even present the data graphically with charts. Reports are organized into folders. The choice of report folder affects how reports are accessed and who can access, view, edit, or manage them. Folders can be public, hidden, or shared. You have control over who accesses the folder's content based on roles, permissions, public groups, territories, and license types. You can make a folder available to your entire organization or keep it private for the owner's eyes only. So, what is a report type? Think of a report type as a template for building a report. Choosing the right report type is crucial because it determines which records and fields are available for your report. Salesforce provides a range of standard report types based on single objects. However, sometimes a standard report type may not include all the objects and fields you need. That's when custom report types come into play. Custom report types allow you to define precisely the data you want to report on. What is a dashboard? A dashboard is a visual representation of key metrics and trends for records in your Salesforce organization. Each dashboard component is based on a single source report. You can use the same or different source reports for various components, allowing you to create a powerful visual display of data on a common theme, such as sales performance or customer support. Dashboards, like reports, are organized into folders. Access to a folder grants access to its dashboards. However, to view individual dashboard components, you also need access to the underlying reports. Each dashboard has a running user, whose security settings determine the data displayed. Selecting the running user wisely is essential to control data visibility. Dynamic dashboards also show data according to the logged-in user's access level, providing a more personalized experience. Dynamic dashboards are an excellent choice when you want to ensure data access is limited. Finally, it's important to understand how to organize your reports and dashboards effectively. Each report or dashboard is stored in a designated folder. Folder settings dictate how they're organized and who can access them. Folders can be public, hidden, or shared. Access to folder contents is controlled by roles, permissions, public groups, territories, and license types. You can make a folder available to your entire organization or restrict access to the owner alone. In conclusion, Lightning reports and dashboards are powerful tools that help you extract insights from your Salesforce data. By understanding business needs, creating the right report types, and building insightful dashboards, you can empower your organization to make informed decisions and drive success. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.